friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. As you can see, we're already out and about, so today we're gonna go pick some more fruit. And today's fruit are cherries. Let's get on going. More than a couple pounds right there. Lots of delicious cherries. out today. It's like, I don't know, 86 degrees, but worth it to get fresh fruit from the tree. So all in all, it's a good day. So let's go pay for our cherries. Hopefully you guys are staying cool right now. It's so hot.
The breeze is kind of nice. 29, 30.
29, 30. Not bad. Ooh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright friends, there you have it, our trip to the cherry farm. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a really good time seeing all the families out and about. The farm we went to is actually the Villa del Sol, located here in Palmdale in Southern California. And just going out there, picking as much fruit as possible was really fun, despite the heat. I believe we got about 90 degrees Fahrenheit here, so which is pretty good. We've been needing the sunshine for a while, as you know, I've been mentioning for the past few videos now. All in all, we end up leaving with 4 pounds of cherries, which is awesome for picking. So definitely good ones. Check it out, worth it. There are other orchards as well within that area. I will put the link in the description if you want to check out any further news about the cherries or for when next season's cherry picking season starts. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I hope you had a really good time. Do come back next week as I have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Or if you have any suggestions of places you'd like us to visit, let me know in the comments and you may just see it here on the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you all next time. Take care.